I got a 2015 Nissan Nissan Rogue. So basically, I'm hooking up the backup camera, the yellow wire, to the backup camera that came with it. I hook up the subwoofer to the green one. I add on additional a jack splitter, Y splitter, and one male to two female. I hook up the USB right there, just one of them because the customer didn't have it. I only provide one of them. And also hook up the power, and then hook up the antenna right there, and then the GPS, and plug the antenna right there, as you can see right there. And basically the radio is already taken out already, so I can't show you how I got installed, but it's pretty simple. So basically everything's pulled out. You only need to pull out this side, and there's a couple screws that you're taking out right there. There's 2 screws on the bottom and 2 screws on the side. You're gonna have to pull this out too on your case. On my case I don't have to. And then you gotta put a couple clip right there. It's pretty easy to do, but the problem is how to set it up. It's the most important part about installing the Android system. So I'm gonna just put everything back. I'm gonna kind of basically go through how you're gonna have to do it to make it work. If not, it's not gonna be working. So I got this up here. The reason I put this in first, actually this is supposed to clip on here like that, but it's already got it going because they made it where you don't have to. It's kind of weird. So right here is where you have to put it in. See, all these clips gonna go in a certain way. So you're gonna start off here, and then this clip's gonna hold this radio. So this clip, so you don't really need the 2, but the customer didn't have that 2. So I had to improvise. It's kind of funny how this thing, you had to start off from like this first. You had to get this bottom one fit in there to fit. So if you have problem, just lift it up a little bit out here like this. Move it out a little bit right there, and then kind of let this thing go in at the same time. Right there. And then you're gonna have to go in at the same time after that. You have to push it in at the same time. Like, see how I had it? Cause this has to hold on to the screen. And I'm trying to find the right fitting. Make sure I'm on the right. I cannot just push it in, because if I push it in, I'll break something. So now I did push it in, and you can see this one. They do have that clip. The customer didn't have that good clip, so I mean it stays, so it's a good thing. See, either the clip it broke right there, because you're supposed to take this out also, and you really have to take care of it, not pry it out too much and it'll break it. But that's it. I'm gonna show you how to use this.
Got it on. I turned the sound off a little bit, and basically you want to come to, if you put on the screen, it's going to be blurry. To fix the blurry part, this is what you're going to have to do. I got all that light shining on it. You're going to go to main menu right there, home menu. Click on setting. Go to factory setting and put 8888. Press OK. Press protocol setting. Basically, I'm setting to according to this car. So basically, I could race. Click on Nissan. It's a CAN bus ID is 1003007. Race Nissan 11 Tina and 14 to 19 exterior. So you got to program into that and save it. But in order to do that, you will want to go to your device. You want to pull this down. You want to go to, click on like this. I'm just going to show you because I'm not going to show everything. I connect it to mine. You click on whatever network you have at your home or your Wi-Fi. I connect mine already, so I basically can update that menu because it will have a menu button. Once you click on that one, you basically can pull it to this one and you update it. It will have update if it needed to be updated, but it's not, right now it's not, because it's not needed updated. So update will be shown right here. Click back, and then you want to go to, if you want to change the screen, the backup screen, I'm going to show you. Backup's going to look like this, okay? This is good. This is perfect, but mostly it's going to be blurry. So in order to fix blurry part, press protocol. You can reverse track setting and all that crazy stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to reverse lay auxiliary line. So I put an open so you can have a line, because some of them doesn't have a line. You have to program that one. And then you got to go to reverse camera, angle, and switch. You don't need that part. You want to go to reverse video solution setting. Instead of ADH25, you want to change it to NTSC PAL, and then press save. Click on that one, and then it will save. And then that's how you get the screen to work. And other than that, every other thing is the same. I can click on music and play some music, or I can you know, right there. I don't want to put the music. The sound's really good because it does got a subwoofer. And yes, that's how you basically, not installing, but basically how to set this device. Basically, I did show you how to install it. Basically, it's plug and play. The hardest part is to remove the radio and put it back in and what to do next. Because sometimes you hook it up and it's not connected right, and you're going to have issue like the customer that's I'm doing right now. They have issue with this. They hook it up wrong. Speaker doesn't play right. There's no sound. There's no amplifier output. So I got it all taken care of because their speaker sound doesn't play. So I got that fixed. And if you have any other question, comment below or reach me at the members only part. Thank you.